Over the next 15 minutes, this presentation will guide you through use of the IPC cleaning schedule and record templates. These are based on the National Standards of Healthcare Cleanliness and have been developed by our team to support general practice managers, IPC leads and cleaning services teams. We hope that this will help with what can appear to be a very complex task. General practices can continue to use their current or any alternative approach as long as they meet requirements. You can also use information within our templates to supplement your existing documentation. The templates can be used electronically, in printed format, or a combination of both. If, for example, you produce a cleaning schedule electronically, but the cleaning services team complete paper records, it is essential to ensure that the contents of both systems accurately mirror each other. You may find it helpful to keep the original as a blank master copy. As you can see, the document has 3 sections. Some essential reading before you get started in the background information. Section 2 contains the IPC cleaning schedule template, which covers areas within general practice. Section 3 contains the IPC cleaning record template for when cleaning has been completed. So essentially, Section 2 is the set of cleaning instructions and Section 3 is the signature record sheets. Both the IPC cleaning schedule template and IPC cleaning record template are designed to allow you to adapt them so that they reflect your general practice. This means that you can add or delete rooms or areas, add or delete items referred to as elements, change the cleaning frequencies, or rearrange the order in both templates to meet your needs. It is essential that you take time to read the background information. I only skim-read this first time round and soon found myself asking questions which are actually already covered and explained. The templates do contain some terminology that may be new to you, and therefore Section 1 is useful to keep referring back to. The regulations in Section 1 basically underpin the need for a cleaning schedule and cleaning records and are the standards used by the CQC. The background information defines the difference between cleaning, disinfection and sterilisation. It emphasises the importance of choosing the right products and ensuring staff are trained on the correct procedures in order to avoid cross-infection. The first step is to assess and assign all areas across your general practice to one of 6 functional risk or FR categories as listed in a table within the document. The background information then goes on to describe what a cleaning schedule should include, which we will cover in Section 2. And most importantly, defines the different levels of cleaning, for example, full clean, spot clean, check clean, and the recommended colour coding scheme for cleaning materials and equipment. Section 2. Any cleaning schedule needs to list what needs to be cleaned, each item is referred to as an element, the standard for each element once it has been cleaned, how often each element should be cleaned, and who is responsible for cleaning each element. This template covers the types of areas in general practice and lists what needs to be cleaned in each area, the standard that they should be achieved, referred to as the performance parameter, and the recommended cleaning frequency. You simply need to add or delete areas, add or delete elements, risk assess to set or reset cleaning frequencies, for example, adding a new element or moving an element from the fortnightly to the weekly cleaning schedule. Agree who is responsible for cleaning what and when and add this to the schedule. Adaptation of the IPC cleaning schedule template to reflect your general practice will be a major task. It will take time and you may find it useful to do this as a joint approach involving the practice manager, IPC lead and cleaning services team. To help you navigate through the templates, we have added different shading which corresponds to cleaning frequency and the key is shown here. The first areas covered are listed alphabetically, starting with entrances, reception, waiting areas and corridors, which we have allocated into the FR4 category. As you can see, the elements that require cleaning either daily or between each use are listed in the left-hand column. The performance parameter and cleaning instructions are given in the second column. The last 2 columns are blank for you to fill in who is responsible for cleaning each element daily and or when visibly soiled or between use. Here is an example of the completed cleaning responsibility columns for the daily and between use. The schedule then lists the elements that require cleaning weekly or fortnightly, again with details of the performance parameters and cleaning instructions in the second column, with the last column left blank for you to fill in. Then over the page are the elements that require cleaning monthly, 6 monthly, annually or 2 yearly, with the performance parameter and cleaning instructions in the second column and the last column for you to complete. The last part of the schedule relating to entrances, etc., and covers elements where the frequency of cleaning needs to be in line with local protocol or local risk assessment. For example, the interior surfaces of a cupboard used for storage may only require a monthly or even 6 monthly clean. You can use your local knowledge to decide which frequency is appropriate and add it to the relevant section of the template, for example, either to the pink monthly or peach 6 monthly schedule. When working through the cleaning schedule for entrances, etc., don't forget to delete elements that are not applicable. For example, you may not have soft floor coverings, and add any additional elements to the relevant sections, together with cleaning instructions in accordance with the manufacturer's instruction. Section 3. Once you have drawn up and agreed the cleaning schedule for your general practice, then you need to make sure the cleaning frequencies for each area are accurately reflected in the cleaning record template. So you can add or delete areas, equipment and items which have been risk assessed, such as fans. The shading matches Section 2 and indicates cleaning frequency. You need to ensure that every area or item of equipment requiring a daily clean is listed on the daily cleaning record template, so just adapt the list in the template. And do the same for the weekly, fortnightly, etc. cleaning records. The cleaning record can either be completed electronically or photocopied, and completed copies kept as assurance. Remember, you can move the cleaning records around to suit your needs. For example, you may find it easier to have the daily cleaning schedule and records together, and the same for weekly, fortnightly, etc. Once you have agreed your cleaning schedule and records, the next stage is to establish an audit programme to monitor cleanliness standards and systems. Information on an audit programme can be found in the CQC Inspection Preparation Pack for General Practice. Details on purchase information is available on our website.